think of it as two teams, right? There's the nitrogen team and there's the carbon team. Nitrogen is all those things that have been alive recently. Carbon are things that have died. So dried twigs, dried leaves, dry grass, paper and cardboard. Because paper and cardboard used to be trees.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So would you put food scraps in compost?
Food scraps are things that have been alive. So food scraps can go in there. And then you need to make a balance, right? The teams need to be equal.
So it's even.
It's got to be even. That's right. So every time you put some green in, you've got to put brown. Well, my simple rule that I'd apply, and the easiest thing to remember, is about 50-50. If you go a little more carbon than nitrogen, that's okay. But it's more important to have a bit more carbon than not too much nitrogen, okay? So 50-50. If you put a bucket of green in,
You need a bucket of brown.
that's right. Or if you put a bucket of brown,
You need a bucket of green.
yeah, exactly. So just to make it clear, because some people call the teams different names, but it's the same team. So there's the green team, which is nitrogen. And then there's the carbon team, which is brown. So brown, carbon, green, nitrogen. Bucket of carbon, bucket of nitrogen. And then it's a case of working out which team the material goes on. So which team does that go on?
The green one's the nitrogen one.
That's it. Which one does that go on?
Brown one.
Yeah, the carbon.
Carbon.
Yeah. And isn't it interesting that these leaves, these are the same leaves, but they've changed teams.
Yeah.
So they started off in the green team. What about this?
Carb.
The carbon one, because it's dead, because it used to be a tree, but it's not a tree anymore.